Oh, you are welcome once again back to this tutorial. So now let us seek to understand what this Ghana Post GPS wants and is looking at adding to our lives as Ghanaians. So now we have the app on our device. We downloaded and installed the app. So we click on the app. It loads up and so there are so many things here. We don't know what is seeking to do, so let's look at them one by one. So first of all, for user interface purposes, what would you like to do first? We click on OK. Okay, so now our digital address we have already generated comes up. So best use when green. So that means we need to go out to get a green color that is 70 meters away, probably. Yes, 10, then you get a better accuracy. So let's look at other things on the interface. First of all, we know our details down here. We can go to the first one here. It said send location to emergency services. Oh, beautiful. So we can send it to the ambulance service. We send the location, we click on that, and this our digital address is sent to the ambulance services. Oh, that's a revelation. We can also go back there again, go to the police service. We send it just like that, as we did the first one. I think 3-4 days ago on Tuesday, someone came to our house. He wanted to steal. He actually took it. I was working on my machine, so I caught him around 2:30. He wanted to steal a motorbike from one of the tenants here, and I caught him. He jumped the wall and ran away. So if I knew this, I would just click on send location, and the police would find my location and come in. So the third one is the fire service. I don't wish for fire to come over here, so I will not even click on it. I'll move to the next one. What does the next one say? One of the things that I have one thing I've realized with the app is that I think it's because of the traffic or the number of people using it. I think they need to debug a lot of things on the app. You click on some links and the app goes off, so they will have to work on that. Let's click on these 3 lines here. Yes, so we have a fair view of what the app is going to do. Welcome to Ghana Post GPS, Ghana's official digital address system. So this is the first address we created, Nana J, and the number in there. So in case of emergencies, you can send location to ambulance, to the police service, to the fire service. You can post master messages to Ghana Post. My registered addresses, we've not verified any of these addresses. You can also look at the help, how it works here. Okay, so we can look at the map. That is what people, the controversial aspect. This is basically the Google map which we paid for. So it's going to send me directly to where I am now. This is for security reasons. I would have to go back immediately. I don't want you to see it. No problem inside. I don't. No worries. You can also. I have clicked on these route streets several times and the app went off. I don't want to do this when my tutorial is going on. You can share your digital address and you click on share. I hope it doesn't go off. Oh, okay, so then it didn't go off. You can share it on your browser, direct messages. This table will depend on your device, so you can share it on WhatsApp, you can share it on other devices, other applications, sorry. So basically this is what I understand by the Ghana Post GPS and what it's looking at doing. And most importantly, I'm looking at the postal code AK48 4. So those first 5 alphabets plus digits, because you can call it alphanumeric. So alphanumeric meaning alphabets and numbers. So AK484, that is our postal code. So you go back to the post. Let's go back to the post. Go back to the post. The ultimate guide to Ghana zip code and Ghana postal code. Let's look at what Ghana Post GPS website says about the digital address, what it represents. So what does my digital address represent? So this is also a Kumasi based digital address, AK0395028. This, according to the website, says the address above is for the Kumasi main post office. Very well. In a deconstructed form, AK039 is the postal code. If you look at that, those 5 alphanumeric. Okay, and A refers to Ashanti, while K refers to the district as Kumasi district. 5028 is the unique address within the postal code, as I talked about earlier on. So that the last 4 digits is the unique address within the postal code. So with this, let's go to the main Ghana Post GPS website and look at examples of other places in Ghana. So even in the Ashanti region, we have Ashanti as A, and if the district is Adansi North, then we have AA or A2. That is what they are talking about, A2. So instead of A squared or double A, you have A2. Adansi South, A3. Efija Kwabre, AF. So you Bosomche, AT. So you come here, I'll put links and yes, so that you can see your area, your district. So we go to the Brongahafo, we have B. Brongahafo will start with B. We have Esunafo North, BU. Esunafo South, BV. So these are some popular places in the Brongahafo as well, Central Region. Ebura Asebu Kwamankase, CA. If there are other alphabets starting, the name it changes a little bit. The Eastern region, let's go to the Greater Accra region. So Greater Accra would have GA and Accra as a district. So GA for Greater Accra, Adan East, GY, Adan West, GX, Adanta, GD, Ashaman, GB, Northern region, Upper East region. So you go to the website, you find all this information there. So if you're struggling to determine or to know what your region and district stands for, you find that on the website so that you can interpret it. So all you need is these 2 alphabets and the first 3. Remember, the first 3 digits there, as we have here 039, and you have your postal code. As I've already talked about in the post, Ghana doesn't have a zip code. We can only have a postal code. So then a postal code is alphanumeric. That means it has alphabets and digits. So from now onwards, we don't have a zip code. We are proud to have our postal code. Thank you very much. The video took quite some time.